How to make $100,000 from freelancing. This is the purpose of this video, because some people say that freelancing is over or is oversaturated. That's correct, but there is a way to make a lot of money from freelancing, and I'm gonna give you an example, like what I did, because I first started on Fiverr in about 2018 or 2019, and after that I created my business. But I'm gonna show you the strategy to make a lot of money from freelancing, even in the most crowded market in those websites, such as fiverr.com, freelancer.com, or upwork.com. Because Fiverr and other stuff, they are overcrowded now. So what you're gonna need to do is either you have a unique product or a service to sell, and this is difficult to find and difficult to do, or you have the same service as the other people, but you're gonna outperform them from different perspective. I'm gonna start with the first one. In my case, I found a digital winning product. But how did I found that? Because I learned coding. I learned coding from Shopify, and my gig was about creating websites, speeding up, etc. But I saw that people, they wanted to speed up their Shopify stores, and the service I was offering, because I was able to do some speed up that the older people can't do, and this is why I charged a lot of money. But the best of this all is that I saw that all Shopify themes, okay, the templates that people use on Shopify, was not speed friendly by default. And this gave me a winning product idea, and I created a business around that I called Black Theme. I created that in lately 2019 or the beginning of 2020, and I sold the business in about 2022, because I got an offer from what we call that, a competitor. Okay, so let me drink my Moroccan tea here while I'm speaking. So that's the first thing. You're gonna need to find a winning product. This is the Moroccan tea. You're gonna need to find a winning product. You're gonna need to create it. But in order to create that winning product or to find it, you're gonna start working in your area. For example, if you're doing graphic design, translation, selling service in regards to accounting or anything, while working you can find that winning product. I'm talking about digital winning product, because as soon as you start working with people, you're gonna find the gap. We're gonna find what people are looking for. This you're gonna need to have a chance for that, because it's not offered by default. But the second method is to use the same service as the older people do. For example, translation. You can start with translation, but you're gonna need to outperform people, because when people gonna go and search for something in the search bar, you're gonna find a lot of people, probably thousands of people. And as a new freelancer, it's difficult for you to rank with those people. So what you're gonna need to do, for example, a lot of people, they use static image, they show their face or other face there, or they simply put a text in an image to see the gig or the listing. But in your case, to outperform them, you're gonna need to make, for example, a video presentation. A video presentation, you're gonna present your service in a video, probably 20 or 30-second video, and this way you're gonna outperform them, and you're gonna build kind of personal contact with your clients. That's the first thing to do. Second thing is to optimize the listing for the search engine for that marketplace. You're gonna optimize it. This is called SEO, search engine optimization. You're gonna optimize the listing and optimize the keywords so people can find what they are looking for. Now, let's say you started freelancing, you started doing kind of small jobs. Probably you made 20 bucks, 30 bucks per probably a day or a week, because it's difficult to start. But to make $100,000, what you're gonna need to do, you're gonna switch from freelancing to creating your own business. You're gonna need to find the gap. Let's say, for example, you're a graphic designer, you're offering your service as a graphic designer, you put the listing in kind of video, you optimize the listing, etc. What you're gonna need to do, you're gonna create a website where you're gonna list your services, and you're gonna increase the price. Whenever you get a client, for example, you worked with a client, the client wanted another order, you can offer them a discount to buy from your website, and you're gonna give them the link to your website. And As soon as you got these clients and you got positive reviews on your website, you're gonna switch from freelancing to creating your own business, because it's difficult to get traffic and to get clients to your own website because you're gonna need to have money. But the strategy I'm giving you today, you don't need to have money to market that. You can also market your business in social media, like for example YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, etc. I know it's difficult to show your face, because the best thing to do is to put your personal brand, to make a video presentation with your face like I'm doing now. I know it's difficult. Some people, they're shy, uh, they can't cross the bridge of being shy, from not being shy. That's difficult, but this is the way to do it. You can post on social media, etc. And once you get some orders from that freelance website, you can pay Google ads or Facebook ads to drive high paying clients, but you're going to need to increase your price. And that's exactly what I did. When I was working on Fiverr on speed and gigs, I created a digital product and I started selling it on my own website. I didn't put a lot of money in paid ads because this was a winning product, because it was fast by default. I'm talking at that time. And I sold this business. So I got an idea as working from freelancing, and I turned this idea into a business because I didn't miss this opportunity. How people get rich? They're not getting rich because they are smarter than you. You may be smarter than them. They're not getting rich because they have already the money than you. Some people, they are poorer than you, but they have found a way to make a business. Why? Because they learn. They are not shy in front of the camera. They try to find clients, but they don't miss the opportunity. Whenever you get an opportunity, you need not to miss it. Whenever I get an opportunity, I don't miss it. I still have my Fiverr account, but I don't get any orders because now it's crowded and I don't work on it. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way how you can make money from freelancing. You can also use freelancer.com. You can also use LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool to find clients and probably partners. At that time, I found a lot of clients from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a powerful tool, and Twitter also, because a lot of people, that are focused on Facebook and on Instagram, they are overcrowded now. And if you want to find clients, high-paying clients that's going to pay you a lot of money, LinkedIn and Twitter is a good way to do it. And okay, so now you created your website, you started getting some orders from here and there. Now, when you start having the budget or the money, you're gonna put a percentage. For, let's say, for example, you made $1,500 this month. Try to put $1,000 in paid ads to drive new clients. Because if you don't put money in paid ads and you take the risk, you're not gonna climb and you're not gonna increase your prices. That's the way to do. If you get $1,500 in profit, try not to eat it all. Okay, try not to go to bars. There are a lot of bars here in Tangier. Try not to eat that money or to drink it in alcohol. Take some money, profit it from the life, okay, but invest some money to drive more clients and to give more performance to your business. And the best part of that, let's say, for example, your business didn't work or didn't work well, you can sell this business. Not like freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, where you can't sell your accounts. For now, I can't sell my accounts because this is a freelance marketplace. But once you have your website and your business, you can sell it for 2 times or even 3 times the annual profits. So yeah, I think I said everything about freelancing, guys. This was all for this video. Till the next video, guys. Peace.